Hello everyone, this is Manoj and welcome back once again to my brand new series of React.js. In today's video, I will talk about React.js props. So, props are arguments passed into React components. Also, props are passed to components via HTML attributes. In other words, prop stands for properties. They are read-only of components. It is an object which store the value of attributes of a tag and works similar to the HTML attributes. It gives a way to pass data from one component to other components. It is similar to function components. So let's create a new component and see how props are passed from one component to another one. So I'm going to create a new file and let's name it welcome props.js. First of all, import React from React and here const the name. I'm using arrow function here. If you don't know what are arrow functions, so you please go and check about the arrow function. So this is a new way to create a function component in React.js. So welcome props and here return div. This is a props example and finally export default welcome props. So this is again a traditional functional component structure. So here we will pass props. So let me pass a parameter called props here on the component level. And now let me save this and go back to app.js. So here first of all let's import this component. So welcome props from component and then welcome props. And here let me comment out this and let's use our welcome props save. If I go back to the browser, we can only see the props example. And let's say if I repeat the same component, so we will see the same output. But this is not the best approach to reuse the component. We create component for the reusability. By this way, we are not using the component in an appropriate way. So for that, we will pass props. So here, let's pass name and let me pass here Manoj Deshwal here. And for the next one, I'm passing Virat Kohli. And for the last one, let me pass Rohit Sharma. Save. If I again go back to the browser, nothing is changed. Everything remains same. Now go back to our props component. So here, let me delete this or let's use a breakpoint. And after this, let's use props dot name. So this is your property name. So let's copy and paste it here. Save. See, Manoj Deshwal, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma. Let me delete this so it will give me more clarity. You see, we have passed properties to all three components. The component same, but the properties are different. And based on this property, it is taking the value from here and displaying over there. So see, this is how we can pass a props to our component for the reusability. The components is same, but the properties values are different. Now, this is a parent properties example. Let me also show you how we can achieve or how we can retrieve and display the children property. So for this one, for that you have to open and close the component like this. And let's use here another example. Node is a software developer. So save, and inside the welcome dot props here, like this one. So props dot children save. You see, only for Manoj it is showing Manoj Deshwal the name, which is coming from the parent prop, and Manoj is a software developer. This is coming from the children prop. All right. So this is how you can pass properties from parent level and the children level. All right. Now one console here, console dot log, and simply pass this props, save, go back to browser, and let's open our developer tools and go to your console. So you see, we have an object in our console. So let's expand this. See, the name is Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. So the first one is for Manoj. And if you see the the parent properties name, which is Manoj Deshwal, and if you expand the children, so the props are Manoj is a software developer. Let me increase this one. So for the first object we have in children. For the second object we don't have any children. So this is for Virat Kohli. This is for Rohit Sharma. So this is how you can pass and retrieve your props in the components. So this is pretty much about the props concept. So in the next video, I will talk about the React.js state, how we can create the state, how we can maintain the state, and how we can read the state. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.